Damn, bro.
What, bruh?
I'm so pissed, bro.
What happened?
Cause I've been missing you, bro.
Bruh, what you talking?
Yeah, that brother's starving.
Hello?
What's up?
Just fuck my pussy. Just fuck my. I didn't even got a fucking introduction. Just fuck my pussy.
Welcome to the party.
What y'all?
What's up with you?
Shit. What's up with you?
Your bed looking a little bit empty.
Sissy, I need to get my braids done.
614. Wait, for real? You want my Instagram?
I want
You want
both.
my Instagram?
Yeah. Oh, whoa, 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 whoa. Hold on. Give me a kiss. Give me a kiss. Give me a kiss.
Bunny lay low, bunny lay low, bunny lay low.
Who the fuck are you?
Whoa, brother, whoa, now. You got too much dip on your chip.
With that small fucking head?
Fuck you say to me, you little shit!
Hey, isn't it time for your bedtime?
No, motherfucker. You gotta go to SLEEP. Dumbass.
If your mom was here, she would slap the brain cells out of you.
Damn, peanut butter jelly sandwich, Dickie.
You're a dickie.
Suck on my dick.
Why does the camera look like that?
My bad. Hey, bro, hold on. Hey, is that your girl, bro?
You look like an almond.
Hey, you know what's crazy? Is that your girl?
Nope. What about it?
I ain't gonna lie, I would fuck the shit out of her.
You doing shit, bitch.
Okay.
Doing shit.
Bruh,
You're not
okay,
doing
bruh.
shit.
It's
You're not
okay.
doing shit.
Stop being a bitch. Stop being a bitch.
You're not doing shit.
Stop being a
You're not doing
bitch.
shit.
Damn, bro.
What, bruh?
I'm so pissed, bro.
What happened?
Cause I've been missing you, bro.
Bruh, what you talking?
That brother's starving.
Yes, sir, brother.
Bro, you know what I'm talking about. You know, I was just with you like yesterday.
You was with somebody else.
Shit, you don't miss me?
You was with somebody else.
Nah. Hey, I ain't gonna lie. You think I could be your man, though?
I don't like men. Y'all disgust me.
Okay.
You can
I
say
don't like women either. Humans disgust me.
So what are you?
The alien.
Say goodnight, motherfucker.
Tennessee.
Tennessee? Ooh, hey, damn, you look good. Wait, come back. Real shit. Wait, how old are you?
21.
21? Oh, you trying to be like me?
Nah, you trying to be like me.
Nah, and you got braces?
Sensational.
That's a package. That's a package. So look, I ain't gonna lie. If you think me and you look good together,
We might.
we might.
She think I'm cute, she wanna have sex.
Let me take you on a date then.
I barely have free time.
Hmm?
I barely be having free time.
So make free time for me then.
Yes!
I got kids.
No!
What's your Instagram? Let me get your number.
My Instagram is little LUH dot RE 3Ds with an undercase.
What we gonna do? You gotta show me around in Tennessee though.
They got a lot of like waterfalls and stuff down here.
Okay, we're gonna kiss under the waterfalls.
Yeah.
Bro, you thinking you playing out for real?
If you make that trip down here.
Shit, if you gonna, save my number.
Text my phone.
What's your phone?
423.
Yo, that's funny. Yo. Hey, you got a tattoo on your hand? That shit fire.
Oh, this ain't no tattoo. This is, with the, not Africans. What is it, henna? Henna.
Okay.
This is henna.
That shit look, bro. I ain't gonna get a tattoo like that, bro. That shit would go stupid. I ain't gonna lie.
Word.
Word. Wait, where you from?
New York.
New York, the Bronx.
Mm-hmm.
Say so. I'm from the Bronx too.
Cap.
You lying.
Cause I just moved down here. I'm originally from the A, but I moved down here. So it's going.
I believe you.
You know what I'm saying? So wait, how old are you?
I'm 17.
Ass up, lock his ass up. You're going to jail. You're going to jail.
Ooh, wee. Look what that money make a bitch do.
Turn down the music. Hey, look, you mad? You look mad beautiful.
Thank you.
Hey, hold up. Can I at least like get your number? Cause I ain't trying to miss this opportunity.
You not trying to miss this opportunity? How old are you?
Shit, same age as you.
How old am I?
It says you 19, right?
No, I'm 18.
Don't give a butt.
Like I said, I'm 19.
I'm 19.
So what's up?
Alright, I'm waiting for you.
What you mean? I'm waiting for you. You gotta give me your number.
I'm waiting for you to be ready.
I'm always ready for you, baby.
Alright, it's 407.
Oh, whoa. Hold up. Give me a kiss. Give me a kiss.
My nigga.
Have you ever dated a black dude before?
Yes.
Hey, how you still with him?
Fuck no.
Hey, would you fuck me?
Probably.
Welcome to the party.
I ain't gonna cat friend the girl the girl in the green on the blue jeans. She got a fat ass.
Nigga, what?
Swear, she really do. Come here. Wait, hold on. You got pokey. Hold up.
There's no way out of this one. You're done.
Bro, we could have been famous. He said, "Oh my God."
Damn, Nate. What's up with y'all?
Hey, Daddy.
Damn. What's up with y'all?
What's up with you?
I think.
Shit. What's up with you?
Your bed looking a little bit injured.
I want to fuck some, and I don't give a fuck.
614. Wait, for real? You want my Instagram?
I want
You want
both.
my Instagram?
I want both.
This motherfucker don't miss.
No, he's fucking good.
That motherfucker don't.
Oh, okay. Y'all look good as fuck though.
Thank you.
I ain't gonna lie. How old are y'all?
I'm 82. I'm about 90.
So I guess you 17 and 18.
Who's 17? And who 8? Who you think 17?
Damn. I thought we was just playing along.
Guess our age.
Nope.
How old are you?
I'm 21.
Right.
Wait, where y'all from?
Baltimore.
Baltimore Avenue. How y'all say it? Oh no!
Shut your bitch ass up.
Stop. Let me stop playing with y'all. I ain't gonna cap. The one that's like, you know what I'm saying, 22. Let me get your Instagram.
It's not me. Monet.
All right. You know what I'm saying? I ain't gonna lie, Monet. You gonna have to. I'm literally probably gonna go to Baltimore. Can you be my new girlfriend?
What? You trying to lock me? You don't even know me, boo.
Well, duh.
Can you be my friend though? Cause I really dead ass trying to get to know you.
Yeah, I could be your friend.
Type shit. What's your number then?
Text my Instagram and I might give you my number.
You know, if we establishing the Instagram, I ain't gonna lie. I feel like you ain't gonna take me any type of serious. So that's why I say, let me just shoot my shot and get your own number. You feel me?
Okay. It's 911. Like, what you didn't like that joke?
I ain't like that joke. All right, I got a joke for you. I got a joke for you. If I can make you laugh, you gotta give me your number straight off the bat.
I bet.
Are you ready? What happens when the CIA go to sleep?
What happens when the CIA go to sleep?
Hmm.
CIA. Um, case.
Hmm?
He rests his case.
Nah,
What?
they go undercover.
That was dumb.
Why would you laugh? You made me laugh.
That boy is good.
Cough it up, cough it up, cough it up.
410.
Hmm.
858.
Games, his 7th 40-point game of these playoffs. Steps, tries it again, puts it in!
Damn, man. I ain't taking nobody else. I ain't gonna lie.
I would go back to the times when you was there with me.